For the second section of this tutorial, what I'd like to do is go over some of the very important menu items that you'll need to know to create a diagram. We'll just continue to use this scientific method as an example. If you have this open, you can also use the idea map if you have that open, or open any other templates. First of all, the menus themselves are the named sources across the top, for instance, file, edit, view, text, symbol, and so forth. Some of the very, very important menus to be aware of or to know how to get to, one being file and print preview, because that'll show you what this is going to look like if it is printed out. And in fact, in print preview, you can just go ahead and click print and it will print as it views on the screen. At this point, I'd like you to go to your inspiration screen and find File, Print Preview. Another important menu item to know the use of and where to find is the symbol palette, which we'll be talking about in depth later on, but it is an important thing to be able to use in Inspiration. It is possible for this symbol palette to be turned off, so it's important to know how to turn it back on. And that you will find inside of the View menu. If you find the View menu, you'll find Symbol Palette, and there's also a Control shortcut, Control H, to turn it on and off. For instance, if I click on it now, it will turn it off, which gives me more room for working with my symbols. But it is very important to be able to get to that, so if you go to the View menu and you click on Symbol Palette, it will just come back. At this point, I'd like you to pause this and go to check out how to turn your symbol palette on and off. For the purpose of this tutorial, not to say that any of these other menus aren't important, it's just that as we go, those two items, the File, Print Preview, and the View symbol palette, are the most important for this lesson on how to create a diagram, a graphic organizer. This is the end of section 2. In the next section, we'll talk about using the outline and diagram buttons to look at this in a different form.